Hello, this is Simon Karlsson from Microvision, and in this video I will show you how to create a transformation using a publicly available transformation file. And at Microvision we refer to a transformation as the logic of restructuring the data from a source system to match that of a destination system. Before watching this video, I would recommend you to watch the videos of how to create keys and how to create a source and a destination. With that said, let's jump straight to it. So the first thing we need to do is to navigate to the transformation section in the left side menu, and thereafter create private transformation. From here, we will be asked to provide the source system, which in this case is Shopify, and then a destination system, which in this case is FTP. Important to point out here is that any invited third-party developer, system integrator, or web development agency can add their own systems to the Microvision platform, and that the ones that you saw in the drop-down list now is only what is currently available on the platform. Secondly, we are to provide a title. So in this case, we can call it Shopify to FTP orders, for example. And then primary data type is orders. We can add that as well. Then in the content box, here is where we will be actually adding the transformation file. And as mentioned before, in this example, we will be using a publicly available one. So what we can do is to easily navigate to the public documentation, and then we can basically copy a transformation file that suits our use case. So in this case, this is a transformation file that does a couple of things. First of all, it is mapping the fields from Shopify to map the fields of the third-party logistic company's requirements. So that's the first thing. And then we're also doing some simple calculations, such as restructuring the time and also doing some total calculations of the total line item costs and so on as well. In order to get more information and the details of a transformation file, you can look into the video called The Anatomy of a Transformation, where we'll dig into more of the details of how to create a transformation file on your own. But in this case, we can create the private transformation. And that is how easy it is to set up a private transformation using a publicly available transformation file. Next up is how to put together the source, the transformation, and the destination to build a stream.